student, I will give you valuable information. Whether you like my video or not, just practice. If you want to share or subscribe, can do it. Most welcome. Here, dipole moment of CCl4, NF3, NH3 and water is considered. Increasing order I have written already. CCl4 is having 0 dipole moment, NF3 is having 0.24 dBi, ammonia is having mu is equal to 1.46, water is having 1.85 dBi. Why it is so, we have discussed a lot about it. So you see my other videos. Here it is bent molecule, okay, and this is resultant dipole moment is upward. Here it is pyramidal, only one lone pair of electron, here two lone pair of electron, mu is equal to 1.46. Here they are in opposite direction, that is why it is cancelled out, partially cancelled out, NF3, okay. So it is partially cancelled out. Here mu, this is towards fluorine, and this upward and downward will be there, so then partially cancel out, that is why mu is minimum, that is 0.24. and here this is symmetrical molecule, so all bond dipoles are cancelled out. So this is the correct way, okay. This is pyramidal in shape, this is bent molecule, one lone pair of electron will be there. Here also one lone pair of electron, here water is having two lone pair of electron. Dipole moment upward, here also dipole moment upward, that is it is having appreciable dipole moment. In case of propane, ethanol, and this is ethylamine. So in this case we will see that ethanol is having more dipole moment as compared to ethylamine, and this CH3CH2CH3 is having least, mu is equal to 0 dipole moment, because it is symmetrical structure. Although CH bond is, see here, CH bond difference between this is carbon electronegativity, this is electronegativity of hydrogen, 1.55 electronegativity difference, delta En electronegativity difference. So bond is polar but molecule is non-polar because mu is equal to 0. Okay, so in this case, now in this case mu is equal to 1 dBi, and CN is a polar molecule, a little bit polar, not very much polar, because it is less than 0.5, but almost it is in between this, so intermediate between other two. So CN least polarity, but molecule is polar because mu is having 1 dBi value, and ethanol is having higher value, 1.69 dBi, because CO bond is here polar, and electronegativity difference, see carbon oxygen is having, in some book it is written 3.5, in some book it is 3.44, but it's still, you should know that it is more than 0.5 difference between electronegativity. So bond is polar and molecule C, it is non-polar. Why? Because CO bond is polar but mu is equal to 1.69, so it gives polarity to the molecule. Okay, so it is polarity.